guys, welcome back to our channel. And today, I just woke up just a minute ago, and I'm in a hallway, and it was kind of new, trying to get some food and all of that. I don't really know where we're going. I'm just walking. I think we're trying to get some food. Yeah, we're going to get some food. Yeah, we're going to McDonald's and we eat, and we're going to get some hot pancakes and mama, pancakes and what?
Sausage.
Pancakes and sausage. So, yeah, that's what we're going to eat at McDonald's. So we're eating at McDonald's. We're not taking it back to the hotel. We're eating at McDonald's. And, yeah, stop. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share to Nyla Nation, my videos, and this video. And shout out to Nyla Nation too. And I love you guys. So now we're gonna go out to the car, and it's freezing cold and raining.
It rained every day.
It rained every day since we left there. So yeah, it's still raining. So guys, I have to go because I don't want my phone to get wet. So goodbye.